y'all, and welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be unboxing the Infinite Lotus December subscription box. So I am very excited for this one. I don't think I've seen any sneak peeks or anything yet. So let's go ahead, open this up. This is the deluxe box for the A5 size. I will continue to get these in the new year. That's something that I have been asked. I love the Infinite Lotus sub box. I do wish A6 was available, but I will continue to get it in A5 in the new year. So with that being said, we will unbox everything and then put things in my planner. All right, so we have the what's inside card, the thank you card, monthly card, and then a quote card. It would help if I can put it where y'all can see it. And then this is holiday themed, it looks like. Also potentially like end of year focus, which makes sense since it's the end of the year. So let's go ahead and start with my favorite part, which is the dashboards. Okay, so we have the, oh my god, December translucent matte plastic monthly dashboard. The most wonderful, oh no wait, the most wonderful translucent matte plastic. And then we also have the Broken Magic dual-sided and Holiday Pines. So these are both double-sided. Let's go with Broken Magic and Holiday Pines. And y'all, this is so pretty. Okay, so let's see. Which one do I want to layer with what? I think both work great. So here is this combo. And then here is this combo. I think I'm going to do this combo, and then we'll put these in my planner again, like I said at the end of the video. So those are the dashboards, and then let's go ahead and check out the inserts. Okay, so first up is the yearly tracker. So you have, oh interesting, a full year to track whatever you want to track. This is actually gonna be really cool. And I'm going to add this for like working out and things. So you have your months here and then 1 through 31. So if there's something you want to track all year, you have a full sheet to do it for the entire year. I think that's actually really cool. It's also wide enough so that if it's, you can use this for like a savings tracker. This is why I love Infinite Lotus so much, because I feel like the inserts are so versatile. So there's enough space if you want to track something. Like I said, like savings, like you can put in a quantity here. If you want to track, I don't know, maybe spending, you can do that. Like I said, it's very versatile. So you get 10 sheets, which is 20 pages of these. I'm probably going to use these more like habit trackers, but we'll see. So we can have that. And then there is a daily plan, and then you get 30 days. So with daily, you have a day on 2 page. So you have an hourly view where it is 7 to 10 and it's half hours. And this is for the A5. Typically when you go down in sizes, sometimes you lose some of that time based on what the insert is. So for A5, you get 7 to 10. And then you have your today, your priorities, and your to-do, and then a full grid for each day. And then you just have, what is it, 30 days worth. So we have this. I think this is too much for me when it comes to daily planning. I already think 1 sheet's too much, but I am going to be using my A5 for work. So maybe like on days where it gets really busy and I have to map things out or I have a lot of meetings, I might use these. And it's great that it's undated because then I can like just use them whenever I need, but we will see. So we have those. And then next up is, ooh, I'm really loving these. The to-do list. So it's 15 sheets, so 30 pages front and back. And you have 2 rows, or I'm sorry, 2 columns, and then just a single checkbox. So this is really nice for your inbox, which is where these are now gonna go in my planner at the end of this video. And this is why I love the sub box so much, just because I feel like you can, like I said, they're versatile, so you can use most of these for whatever you want. You can categorize these, so I can use one for work, one for personal. I just feel like you have so many options. And then you can also just use these for regular lists if you don't want to use it for to do. but we have these, and then 15 sheets. And then there is a yearly review, which is 5 sheets / 10 pages. So this is definitely probably gonna be focused more towards that end of the year planning. So let's go page by page. So you have top accomplishments 1 through 5, best memories 1 through 5. Oh, this will be really fun. I might do a video just focused on this because it seems really fun, especially with how much is going on this year. Yearly review, what I learned, what I need to improve, grateful for, how was this year, how can next year be better, and then, oh, you get a few. So that's 1 yearly review, and then, or I'm sorry, 1 sheet, and then it's the same on the next sheet. And so I didn't know if it was like a 5-part series, right? So what you could do, you could save this for 5 different years, or if you want to separate it by like personal, right? So like personal top accomplishments, personal best memories, personal things you've learned. Do one for work, you know, categorize them. Top accomplishments you did at work, or maybe not even just work specific, but like professional. So if you learned a new skill, right, did additional trainings, and then probably one for like school. I might just do an all-in-one. Like I said, I'll probably do a video on this with you guys because that actually sounds kind of fun. So you have these, and then like I said, it's 5 sheets, so 10 pages front and back. So that is all of the inserts. I really like all of these. I think I'm going to use all of these. So we'll definitely put, I think these 3 for sure in the planner, and then I'll put the daily plan once I figure out what I'm doing with my A5 for 2026 in there at some point. But let's move these to the side for now. And then that is what you get in the normal subscription box. And then since I have the deluxe, you get a lot of accessories. So let's go over those. So you have your accessory pack, which I will open last. Gift tags, which are very cute. I'm definitely going to use these. And so you have to and from on the back. And then it just says Happy Holidays on the front. There is the dot stickers, which is Winter Sage large dots. And then this is actually really cute. It's a page flag charm. And it is the Cocoa Fusion Tass Charm Fusion. And then you just have a variety of different page flags. And it's really cute. You have a little charm on it, so you can just hook it inside of your planner. So we have that. And then you get just 1 card. Yeah, so 1 Happy Holidays to You card. So that is the accessories. And let's open up the accessory pack for all of the fun items. Okay, so you have the December Intentions Planner card, which is on that, what was it called? Holiday Pines background, so it matches the dashboard. The extended monthly dashboard planner card. And then each intention comes with its own separate personal card. So you have Reflect on the Year, Celebrate Accomplishments, and then Make the Season Special. And so that's actually pretty nice when it comes to the inserts too. I love how they always all connect. So Reflect on the Year, you can use those yearly reviews. Celebrate Accomplishments, also doing that on there. Make the Season Special, finish everything up with your to-do list and your yearly tracker. So we have those, and then we have the cutest planner cards. So you have a little Eiffel Tower like tree glimpse. Let me make sure you can see this. I feel like it's blurry. There we go. And it matches that red. We have a gift with some pine. Oh, I see what it's doing. Let's put this one here. And then we have a train in the, like a forest filled with snow. And we'll put this one here. All right, so that is everything that comes in the box. I really love these. I think we're going to use, we'll put these to the side for now. Now we'll get to the part where I put everything in my planner. So we're gonna use the intentions, the card, the Celebrate Accomplishments, because my graduation is coming up and that's the biggest one. I really love this one, and it's like holiday themed, so I kind of want to use that. And then we'll save the rest on the for later, because I definitely want to use the reflect on the year with those inserts whenever I can do a video on that. Okay, so let me grab my A5 and we'll set things up. So here is my GM agenda. And then, oh, I need to take a photo for a thumbnail. Once again, this also kind of helps with me using everything. So I said we'll save these for later. We're gonna keep these two. Okay, cool. So let's put this over here. And then let's open this up. So I can remove, I'm gonna remove the November because I'm already in the holiday mood. So we're just gonna put this all in early. Plus it's pretty much almost December. So we're gonna have the December intentions. December card. We're gonna do celebrate accomplishments up here. And then we're gonna add this right here. Yeah, I really like that. I'm getting better at being decorative, y'all. Okay, so now we have my weeks. And so here is the November from last month. Y'all just saw October. And in between November and December, we will use this. Okay, and then my daily is my inbox. And now I want to swap it out for this one, so that way it's less fall, right? Like this is fall. We can use this one too. It's cute. With the inbox, just layer them all together. Or we can wait and save it. Let's do it this way. Let's do the inbox with just the regular dashboard. And then they are double-sided, so here's what that looks like. I don't have anything behind this middle tab yet, so, so maybe I should save, I don't know. Let's do, I was gonna add the to-dos. Let's, after the Gantt chart, add in the to-do inserts. And then let's put in the yearly tracker, or the yearly review and the yearly tracker together. So putting the to-do behind my inbox. This blank tab will do the yearly review. For now, this will be temporary. And then we'll do the wonderful tab. I'm sorry, the wonderful vellum. And then we can add in, where is that part? The reflect on the year. It had a random paper clip somewhere. I can't find it. It was a computer notes. So let's do reflect on the year. And I'm just gonna clip these two together. And then that is everything that came in the sub box, how I'm going to use them, and the current setup. So other than that, that is gonna be it for this video. If you have any questions, please feel free to let me know. And thank you guys so much for watching.